Hello Taurus, this is your December 2021 reading. If you have Taurus in your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, you can watch this video. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do, and share with your family and friends. So let's see what we have for Taurus. Sorry, I'm a little bit late here. So let's see what we have for Taurus for December 2021. Let's see what will happen. Your overall energy. Okay, one more time. Thank you. Page of Pentacles, the Lovers. Definitely you are watching for your love interest. And the Ten of Wands. And the bottom of the deck we have High Priestess. We have two major arcanas here, which is High Priestess and the Lovers. Okay. So Taurus, this is your overall energy, the High Priestess, and look at this. Underneath we have Victory. Whatever the thing you are worrying, or whatever the thing you are feeling burdened right now, I think you are watching for your love interest, because we have the major arcana, the Lovers here. Definitely this is mutual between both of you. And this High Priestess is telling me that you are very, very intuitive these days, and very just thinking all the things very deeply right now. And if you are woman watching this, then definitely the High Priestess is a very, great energy here I am picking up. And this is from major arcana also. And definitely you are the earth sign, Taurus. So earth sign is very grounded, very, very intuitive. Sometimes a very, just silently does all the things, and just not sharing with anyone anything in your life. That's why you are feeling this Ten of Wands. Here the Ten of Wands is clearly the card which is telling me that you are thinking about something which is troubling your mind right now. Okay, and you are feeling burdened. Just you are carrying all the things by your own. You are not sharing anything with anyone. And the energies I'm picking up on here, that with this 10 number, I'm definitely seeing this is ending in your life, in your near future, because we have bottom of the deck we have Six of Wands also. Okay, so definitely I'm seeing here that whatever is here, this burden will definitely result into this. Okay, whatever you are thinking, whatever you are just going through right now, it will leads to, you are going to happy after this Page of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles is the first card of yours, which is telling me that some apologies, some small offer, some small, maybe it's a love offer, maybe it's your career opportunities. So Page of Pentacles is nothing but a card of messenger, message, a good news also. This is not a big one, but yeah, a small one. So yeah, Page of Pentacles, and it's also showing me that some opportunities is coming towards you. Pages is a very younger and it's a very small one energy, so it will give you some some relaxation situation, some relaxing mode. It's a small one, but yeah, you will feel relaxed about this, like something is coming towards you, and maybe it's your love offer. We have Gemini is very strong here, and Gemini and Pisces, and we have also Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. Okay, number 2, 6 and 10 is very significant here. So maybe if you are watching for your love interest, then definitely this is the offer from your love interest, which is very which is mutual, and they are just going to take one step forward for you, Taurus. Okay, maybe this person is Gemini. Okay, so the lovers is telling me that your love life is going to be balanced. This is mutual love, and number 6 is for me, it's a very balancing energy. Okay, so clearly this is showing me some love offer, like the situation you are thinking right now, which is making you very thinking deeply around, and just you are not sharing anything with anyone. That's why you are feeling burdened, and now you are getting this Page of Pentacles, something which is very small, but it gives you some relaxation. And yeah, and the lovers is a major arcana. And also look at this wings here, this is the angel wings, and this is a very spiritual card also. Maybe it's your it's a journey of your soul interest, like you are dealing with your soulmate or twin flame, because the lovers is a spiritual card also. And look at this sun here is appearing. So yeah, definitely this sun is going to be appeared in your life, Taurus. And yeah, the sun is appearing, happiness, love and light also. And this the angel is protecting you both. Okay, your health is going to be all right, like maybe you are feeling some health issues like back pain, or your just some headache, or just your little things you are just carrying by your own. And just look at this High Priestess, it's a very secretive energy, just you are carrying by your own and frustrating yourself and just harassing yourself. So this is going to be dissolved. Okay, so yeah, it's a small one, but definitely it's give you relax. And the lovers, yeah, it's a very good card, it's a Gemini card here. And yeah, overall it's a great energy for you, Taurus. And yeah, something is coming towards you. So I will pull one card for you, Taurus, as a message guidance for you. So one card for Taurus. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so for Taurus we have the Hanged Man. Okay, so clearly here I am seeing that whatever the situation is stuck in your head. Look at this sun is also here, the sun. You have two sun in your reading, this sun and this sun. Look at this. Definitely whatever is stuck, and you are just worrying about that, it gives you very some just you are going to take one step forward from this Hangman energy. Whatever is stuck in your situation, it is going to be resolved, it is going to be in your favor, and you will feel relaxed after that. Okay, so yeah, just don't feel stuck. Here the message is just don't feel stuck. Just don't disturb yourself by doing this all thinking and stuck situation, because we have received this major arcana's card here, which is the lovers and this high priestess also, and hangman is also a major arcana. So I think you are just feeling stuck since long time. Okay, so since long time you are feeling stuck, that's why you are feeling this burdened. You are just disturbed your health, disturbed your career, disturbed your family life, disturbed your love life. Okay, so just message is just don't feel stuck here. Everything will be all right at the end. Eventually you will get this. Okay, maybe some situation will occur like you are not just you feel very trouble deciding. That's why hangman is appearing in your reading. But yes, you will handle this because you are handling this. The three major arcana is appearing in your reading, Taurus. So yeah, this is your reading. Look at this, Three of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. It's your energy, Taurus. Very grounded, loving, and very just we have this Queen and High Priestess. You are in your power and you are very strong. At the end, eventually you will get this Three of Cups, which is celebration, happening, situation, reunions, marriage, commitment, engagement. Maybe it's a small one with this Page of Pentacles, which is your first card, right? So it's a small one, some opportunity from for your career. Then you are going to celebrate this Three of Cups. Okay, so this is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much for watching.